What's up guys, Matt here, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this LCD projector. It has 1080p, 2.4 and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. You can do screen mirroring or an Amazon Fire Stick, and it comes with a projector screen as well. Full disclosure, I did receive this product for free in order to do this video, but it won't be affecting anything I say. So let's get right to it. All right, so let's get this opened up and check out what is included. Here is the included 100-inch simple projection screen. You can see this really close together knit fabric, and they do have some adhesive clips for attaching this to a wall if you wanted, or if you have blank white walls, which I do in my case, you can always just project on a white wall. Here is the rest of the box. Right here we have our remote, some little dabs for cleaning the lens, as well as a lens wipe, user manual, standard HDMI cable, got our audio visual cable, power cable, and the projector itself. And I'm surprised it actually is quite small. That is super nice. This is the white and purple version. Does come with a nice little lens cap. It's kind of rubbery. On the bottom, we do have a standard 1/4 inch thread if you did want to mount this on a tripod. We've got our screw adjustment here, which is so nice for leveling this when you sometimes need to angle it up, and then you can set it down and change that angle by just simply unscrewing this. That's super nice. Got our Keystone Adjustment here, and our focus right here by spinning this wheel, and then our menu buttons. Just a fan output on the side and the power inputs. Nothing really on the back to worry about. Then we have our VGA input, USB input, which is super nice for powering like a Fire Stick or a Chromecast. Got our AV port, our audio output, a slot for a TF card, which is super nice, and HDMI input. Let's throw this on a tripod and start projecting on this wall and get it up and running. The tripod is not included. I'm using my own personal tripod here. One quick note here is that the remote does not come with batteries. It takes 2 AAA batteries, so make sure you have 2 AAA batteries. All right, so I got the AAA batteries in the remote and turned it on, and here's what we have. I'm surprised at how big it is for how close I am to it. And let's select English. There we go. And here is the menu. All of our options here: HDMI, AV, VGA, screen mirroring, USB and TF, and Bluetooth if we wanted to connect to a Bluetooth speaker. Let's go into settings, kind of show you around here. You can change picture mode, color temperature, all sorts of stuff here. So picture, sound, time, and option. Here is the Keystone function. Just moving that with my finger, where you can kind of line it up if you have to angle this up, and then the focus with the knob. As you see, it's sliding out of focus and back into focus. So super straightforward. So I went ahead and hooked up my computer via HDMI on the side of the projector here, just to show you the detail and the quality of this. And it doesn't have that ugly pixelated look, even from this far. The projector itself can project up to 300 inches. It's native 1080p full HD resolution, but 4K is also supported. I hope you found this video helpful and that it showed you exactly what to expect with this white and purple projector. I love it. I think it looks good. It makes the screen look really good, and it's just perfect for making new memories, watching movies, having good times with people. So that's all for this video. I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.